Hello friends, welcome back, and if you're new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. Today I have a short plant video to share with you. Let us start off with the Hoya. This is the only Hoya that I have in my collection. This is the Crimson Queen or the Hoya carnosa variegata. Look at the leaves. Some are creamish, some are pinkish, and some are green in color with white margins. It is a beautiful plant. And yes, I am waiting for it to bloom someday for me. Now let us move on to our ice plant, which is also called the Corpus Coelurea lehmanni, and this is the variegated form. This is also Corpus Coelurea lehmanni variegata. See how beautiful it is, but it is a very slow growing plant. It has beautiful diamond shaped plump leaves, and watering has to be done occasionally as it is a succulent and it has fat leaves. It stores water in its leaves itself. So this is my variegated one. Now let us move on to our Havatia. This is doing very well. It's in a tiny plastic pot with numerous heads jutting out from all sides. I have to transfer it to a bigger pot now. I'm going to show you my Havatia, which is a new one. This Havatia is the Havatia cooperi, which has been bought by my younger cousin from Jalpaiguri. It's from a nursery in Jalpaiguri. See how pretty, how transparent the leaves are. Now this is an Echeveria. This is also a succulent. It's an Echeveria because it has pointed leaves, and this I brought from Kurseong during my last visit there. It's beautiful one. This particular Havatia, which is the Havatia cymbiformis variegata, also has been brought from a nursery in Jalpaiguri by my younger cousin, and see how beautiful it is. Beautiful. Now this is my Graptosedum, which is looking all lanky, and very soon it is going to color up. See, some of the leaves have already started coloring. This is how it looks. The actual mother plant was given to me by my sister-in-law Rosa, I think 2-3 years back. Now let's move on to our Cryptanthus. This too is doing equally good. This is the peachish one. I have three different types of Cryptanthus, and this is the second one. Right now I am showing you just the two varieties, and I love them. Now this is the Graptosedum that I just showed you. Do you see those curly pinkish structures there? Those are the roots, the aerial roots, and so the plant is actually asking to be transformed to a bigger pot, which I'll be doing very soon. Don't worry, baby. Now last but not the least is my Sedum adolphi, which is commonly called the golden sedum, a perfect name for this particular plant. Look at it, how golden it has turned. Actually, it is green in color. The leaves are green in color, but as you keep it in the sun, especially the winter sun, the leaves turn golden, and this is how it gets its name. It's a beautiful plant, a gorgeous looking plant. Look at it. And yes, a beginner's friendly succulent. It is a hardy one, and it does not have issues during the monsoons as well. So pretty plant. So thank you, my dear friends, for staying till the end. If you all have liked the video, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it's bye bye for today. Bye, take care.